still might be out of commission. What? Oh, okay. A little crackle? What do you mean? When I pulled you? What, I couldn't handle the Honda power? I couldn't even pull you hard. I had no grip. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. You need to bolt it up, buddy. You gotta tighten it up when you put that on there.
That hand tied to work.
You must have used a Milwaukee. Should've used a Ryobi, buddy.
Wouldn't even stay on there.
Oh, God. Whoa, Joe! Whoa! Damn it! Oh. What? Scared me a little bit. He's stuck? What? What's that?
At least that's what it looks like. He's on the phone.
Oh. Everything all right?
Probably his girlfriend.
Probably.
What's the price?
Polaris, buddy. Got all that power, but they can't handle it. You in limp mode? Oh, it's still running hot? You wanna head back to camp? Let it and wash it out? Let the Razor tow you back. Hey, Nate. Tow him back to camp. Oh, Walmart tail. What's that all about? What happened, buddy? Yeah. Oh, you got two Walmart tails. Three. Yata! Leave that caca alone. That seems so inconvenient. It is taking forever. I had you pulled out of that mud hole and wrapped up already. Oh! What's that? Oh shit, it sure did. Why didn't we use this before? I wasn't even thinking.
Nathan already tried it on there.
What's that?
He already broke before.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Do I need to move?
Huh?
Do I need to move? You got enough room? I broke the U-joint, I think. No, I got it right now, I'm good. I'm gonna need you to pull me back though. Yeah, you're good. I'll need to be towed back though.
You need to be towed back?
Yeah.
What happened?
I broke my U-joint.
Oh, bullshit.
Yeah. I might have one at camp though. I think I had that part. Oh, that's right. I've been hitting that water so hard now, just like. But I think I have that piece, so should be okay. Yeah, clean off. Yeah, y'all play around, have fun, whatever.
Don't mind me. I'm just gonna sit over here, bro.
Oh Lord. It looks good though.
Oh, the battery's dead.
Is it?
Yeah.
Shit. The Honda broke. I broke my U-joint on my drive shaft. What? Yeah. What's that? No, not the diff, the U-joint. From the output shaft to the, yeah. I have it on camp though, I think.
Last minute things.
What's that?
Last minute things.
Last minute things. Shh. Well, I've been trying to hit the water at second gear, and I guess just that pressure.
Getting balls in.
Yeah.
Come down?
What's that?
So when it broke, it just came down or what?
It's still in there, but it's just, whenever I drive, you just hear, so it just won't, I need to get pulled back.
Oh, driving.
It's, I don't want it to bind up and mess up those shafts. Come on, Goofy, get out of the water. What happened?
You don't want to swim?
Yanta, get out of this cold ass water, Yanta.
Go, jump. Go.
Oh, are you testing it right there to see if it gets in there from right there? Smart. We're falling apart, buddy. God. You might need to do that for your grandpa. Have him follow you, make that bow wave. What's that?
Behind me.
Something like that, yeah. Maybe. What do you think?
There's a part where you can go and then...
No, there's a spot he can go to?
Maybe.
Oh. I mean, you could do that. I mean, you just got to keep up. Just, it's up to you though. Belt's a little wet. You gonna be able to tow me back to camp, buddy? Huh?
What?
You gonna be able to tow me back to camp?
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt, God. I don't know if you got that much power, buddy. Not to get out of the water if you're cold, Goofy. Don't drop that shit there. Decent amount of water.
One way to break it in.
What's that?
One way to break it in.
Yeah. Now this thing ain't new no more.
Those brass make the brake pads in.
Is that why you can't stop? Ha ha! White girl wasted.
Should've had a Starbucks this morning.
All claw, no brakes. That's the grease I've been smelling though. I've been smelling grease the whole day. I was like, man, what is that? It must have been from that boot on my U-joint.
I already smelled the exhaust.
Oh yeah. I just go so fast I can't smell it, you know? Yeah, it's right here. Look at this. I think so. I think I do. I think I have it in the RV. I had bought one a while back because I was like, well, might as well. It's a U-joint, so it's probably gonna wear out. Hopefully I brought it though. All right, man, let's do. Hey, pull slow first. I want to make sure that that shaft isn't spinning. The toe shame. The toe, yeah, I'm good. Thank you kindly, sir.
third gear.
Settle.
A lot lighter than Chris.
Yeah, I bet.
Quietest I've ever heard the Honda right behind you.
God dang it.
Next to smell stuff.
What's that?
Enjoying the scenery.
Oh my God. I'm packing up. I'm going home. That's it.
I could breathe.
Oh Lord.
But there were mosquitoes.
What's that?
There were mosquitoes.
There were mosquitoes. Híjole.
Go get some water, Luna.
I think that was the fastest I've ever gone. All right, so this is all this fool's fault right here. He told me to act like I had a pair. See what
You know,
happens?
I don't think that's what Solitude meant when he said, you know, just break it or something, whatever he said.
Solitude, this is your fault too. Everybody's fault but mine. It's just how it goes. All right.